A pleasant good day to you all. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're going to explore Jackshill, well, sections of Jackshill, as it is a very large area. So right now we're on Dillsbury Avenue. We're going to see some new apartment complex. There are townhouses here as well. And the roads, as always, it's not the best, but we hope we can still have a good time, enjoy the views of these lovely townhouses and so on. Do remember to leave us a like if you are enjoying the content, if you like the views of these new townhouses. As you can see, some of them have some high walls, I must admit, but in some cases we're able to take a sneak peek and see a little more. Alright, so do stay tuned for that. And remember, if you haven't done so as yet, to subscribe to our channel. We upload videos like these where we explore Jamaican communities, Jamaican attractions, and so much more. All the best of Jamaica. So definitely subscribe if you're interested in that, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Be sure to click all. That way you will receive all the notifications of when we upload a video. We tend to upload videos every day at 6 p.m. Jamaican time, but sometimes a little earlier. Sometimes we do more than one upload, so definitely be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for all. Alright, I'm rambling now. Let's relax and enjoy this video. Right now we are on Farringdon Drive and we're just passing by Farringdon Estates on our right, which is comprised of 2 to 4 bedroom townhouses. Welcome to Rovan Heights. And it's that time of the day again where we have to part ways. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave us a like if you did, and remember to share with a friend or two. Do remember also to subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, and be sure to click the notification bell for all. Thank you so much. Take care.